guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a keto ground beef with broccoli and zucchini recipe, and these are all the ingredients that you need. Obviously, you are going to need ground beef, broccoli, zucchini. Right now I only have one, but I may need two just depending on how much I get once I'm done cutting it up. You'll also need some extra virgin olive oil, paprika, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. First off, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the zucchini. I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 1-inch cubes. To do that, I'm going to cut the zucchini in half, and then I'm going to go ahead and stand up each half and cut it down lengthwise, and then cut those two pieces again lengthwise, and then go ahead and cut that into 1-inch cubes. I hope that makes sense. Now while I'm cutting up the zucchini, I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you coming back and watching my videos every week. Now this recipe is not my own. This recipe is one that I found from Headbanger's Kitchen. I'll have his tag on the screen, and this recipe I have modified to the way that I like it. So I will, as I'm giving you this recipe, I will let you know what I am doing compared to what he suggests you do in the recipe. Once I am done cutting up the zucchini, I'm just gonna go ahead and place that to the side in a bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my broccoli. Now all you need to do with the broccoli is go ahead and separate the broccoli florets, there's the word, the broccoli florets from their stems. You can easily do this by hand or using a knife. I kind of do a little bit of both. Now once you are done cutting up your vegetables, I'm going to go ahead and move to my nonstick pan and put in some extra virgin olive oil. Now in the recipe on the video from Headbanger's Kitchen, he does use avocado oil, but I do not have that on hand, so I'm using what I have. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef. Now also in the recipe, you do not have to use ground beef. If you would like to, you can use ground chicken, ground pork, ground turkey. And my husband is being silly in the background. You can kind of see him poking back and forth from the door frame. So I am just going to go ahead and break up the ground beef before I add in all the seasonings. Now as you can see in the recipe that I am showing you, I am using all of my seasonings in powder form. I am using onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, paprika, and thyme. Now he also uses red pepper flakes in his recipe for a little bit of spice, but I do not like that. Now you can use regular onion and chopped garlic if you would like to, and according to his recipe, if you do use actual onion and garlic, he suggests that you use 1/4 cup of each, but of course you can adjust it to how you would like the recipe to be. Once the ground beef is fully cooked, go ahead and add your zucchini and broccoli. Once you add in the zucchini and the broccoli, go ahead and season it with salt, then cover for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes is up, go ahead and uncover and stir everything together, and then you are going to add in some grated cheddar cheese. Now, according to the recipe, you can go ahead and use whatever cheese you like, mozzarella, provolone, whatever kind of cheese you would like, but I am using cheddar cheese and it comes out delicious. According to his recipe, he suggests that you put 1/4 cup of whatever cheese you choose, but as you can see with me, I am just putting on as much as I feel like. Once you are done putting on the cheese, go ahead and stir and then cover once again for a few minutes. Now, after a couple of minutes has passed, you're going to go ahead and uncover and mix in 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and stir that all together, and then you're going to cover it again for another few minutes, no more than 3 minutes. And the last thing that you will add, if you choose to, is 1/4 cup of cream cheese. I did not add that, so you will not see that in this video. And that is it, guys. That is it for this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and give it one last stir before I go ahead and put them in the bowls for me and my husband. And the last thing I am going to do is add another helping of cheddar cheese on top before we eat. Alright guys, so that is it for this recipe. I hope you guys watched all the way to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back for more videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!